Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, traders. Good morning, YouTubers. Yeah, I just started live stream now because this morning I have trouble connection with the Apex accounts. I could not connect. It's not today. It's not just me that could not connect to the Apex Rhythmic account. There are many traders out there that have problems connecting and different kind of problems today. But I got it resolved around 8 a.m. Pacific time today. So now I'm able to live stream my trading now. So let's start. Well, due to the problems connecting to the Apex Rhythmic account this morning, my trading is delayed. My live stream is also delayed, and this problems could mess up my psychologies of trading today because maybe I'm gonna rush to get one trade, and then anytime you rush or I rush to have a trade, it could be problems. I hate to start the day with problems like this. Yeah, the market has been up and up and up the whole morning long. Sure, a lot of trader have a lot of success trading this morning when the trend is up like this. Anyway, let me review the context of my chart a little bit. I start drawing some lines already before I go live. As you can see, the channel has been up and up. It's a good day for scalper when the day is up like this. So this is the whole day, entire chart of the whole day today. Well, the whole morning up to right now 8:30, 8:35. As you can see, price price action has been up and up, uptrend day today. And sometimes you catch the price a little late. It could be in running into troubles. Because sometimes price is running up so far, it got to run down, pull back, right? If you catch it in the wrong time or too late, could be problems. So this is what I'm worried about right now. It's If the markets keep going up, it's okay, but if they decide to reverse, right? Because it's been going up so far already. Let me see how many points. How many points it's been up so far. Oh my goodness, 68 and a half points up. 68 points up. Okay, let's zoom in to the local trading area right now. For a day like this, I'm looking for any setup that go long only. But usually I wait like 30 minutes an hour before I take my first trade to get my mindset sink in. But because of the problem this morning, wasted like 2 hours, at least 1 hour, try to connect to Apex accounts. So I need to tell myself to be patient, to read the chart more clearly before I take a trade. It's easy to say than done. Sorry for the noise in the background. Hopefully the noise in the background doesn't leak into the video. Okay. Mm. Yeah, I'm trying to look at this trend channel. The price mostly stay above the EMA. As you can see, all these bar are mostly stay above the 21 EMA. The white curve here, it is the 21 EMA. I'm trading 2000 tick chart. I am trading the S&P 500 E-mini ES account using the 2000 ticks chart. So price most of the time when moving about up mostly about the 21 EMA. And then this is probably the very first time price drop below EMA by like 4 or 5 points and went back up, come back down again, and stay in this inside this range again, and then decide to go up again, and now it create a new range again, and this is one range, one big range, then it goes up and create another big range up here. It's just the way I study it, and I don't know where to enter right now. I'm a scalper, not a swing trader, so I'm looking to gain like only 1 or 2 points at a time. I'm trading like basically by each bar, how each bar move. It's different from stock trader or swing trader. They trade for one swing, one leg up, like this right here. It's one leg up. They happen to enter right here. They gain a big profit so far. But for me, I trade only. I have small money to trade, so I trade one bar, 2 bars at a time. Basically, a scalper. Scalper is looking for the short opportunity, I mean, small opportunity to take a small profit, a few trades every day, one trade at a time, one small trade at a time, one small profits at a time. That is me. So I don't know where I should enter right now because my mind is not sinking yet. Mm. Anyway, this live stream is just basically is for entertainment purposes only. This live stream or this video is how I keep the record of how I trade. It's for entertainment purposes only. I'm not providing any method or teaching anyone how to trade. I'm not providing any methods or strategies or teaching anyone how to trade, telling anyone how to trade. Basically talk to viewers in general and talking, especially talking to myself. I'm still a beginner trader. I have been trading scalping, especially for a few years. So I still have a long way to learn. Hopefully, in a few years, I can be a better trader and maybe I can share my strategies. I don't see any opportunity to enter right now. I'm looking for my first trade and I'm looking to trade the second entry method, but I since this is my first trade, I'm very skeptical to go in here. Uh, this price is staying in this range, little congestion range here. That's why I'm skeptical to get in. Yeah, and my mind is not sinking yet. I don't know where I want to get in to a trade. Apex rhythmic account. I could not connect to it this morning. Wasting about 2 hours trying to connect to it. I thought I tried to reset, reconfigure, restart my computers a few different times. I thought maybe my connections with my computer or some kind. And then I went around and asked people who, some other traders, YouTubes. I don't know any trader personally, so I just go to ask people who trade live. I say some people had bad time today, different kind of problems this morning. For me, I just had hard time to connect. Other people have different problems when they try to enter the trade, or sometimes it's the trade got enter on its own automatically. That's scary. My problem was I just could not connect to the Apex account. So I have different problems. And finally, it's up around 8 o'clock. I was able to connect. And by the time I set up everything to go live, it's 8:30. Right now, it's like 9 o'clock, almost 9. It messed up my opportunity to trade. Today seems to be a good trading day because the trend is up most of the time, up and up and up. So by the time I'm ready to start trading, it seems like the price are moving sideways inside this big range here. Mm, inside this big range. Yes, yeah. I don't know if decide to go up further or come back down. Um, I'm watching. Hmm. Well, I was gonna enter a trade somewhere over here. It's, it's not a good second entry. It was second entry, but it's not a too late kind of second entries. I'm thinking to enter a trade here to go long here, but we'll see. It's not it's not an official second entry type of lake here. You can't take by ticks. I'm trying to. I think I'm gonna take a trade here. It's too late already to enter. Let me put it right there. One take about that red bar there. If it pull back, okay, my trade is filled. My entry is filled, and it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. The signal bar, that bar is. This is not an official pattern of second entry, but by looking at the patterns, it looks like two legs down. A little anxious to take a trade here, but hopefully it works. I'm going long. My trend channel is the yellow line here, and I took the trade is because it price came down to the trend channel. The lower supports of the trend channel. We'll see if it bounces from here or is the market decide to reverse from here. I'm not sure here. If price are deciding to stay inside the range, to play the range, this is a big range. It would come down all the way to down here. But I'm playing the trend right now. Price come down to the trend channel, and I'm expecting price to bounce up because today is an upturn day, upturn day. So I'm trading to go long only for now, even though I see something that's give me a short signal to go short, but I have to ignore. I have to ignore those setup. I only play any setup that going long only. So we'll see. Maybe this is a dangerous spot, sir, because price has been up for the whole morning already. And at one point, I will have to pull back to go to opposite directions. And I hope this is not the spots that price want to go back down. I hope not, but who knows? Let's create a small range over here. As I said, that the pattern of the second entry is not. It's kind of moving sideways, congestion. And why I enter this trade is congestion again. Let's see. I cannot lose this trade. My first trade. Losing the first trade is could mess up big time. Could mess up my psychologies big time. Apex trader, rhythmic, where I had my problem connecting to account. That's one big mess. Okay, let's bounce. Let's go. Go up from here. Okay. Today is supposed to be a good day. And I started the day. Started the day with in my mind is not straight. Try to talk, but my eyes are focus on the bars moving up. This size congestion right here. Maybe I should close my trade. I hate to close a trade with a loss. Congestion here, we don't know. It stay inside this little range. Do you want to move up or you want to move down, market? Let's see if it's decide to go to about the EMA, it will keep going up. But right now, it's, the EMA is kind of like blocking. Touch the EMA and then it come back. Touch the EMA, it come back. This is an uptrend day. This is an up day. Right now, it's stay enter at the troll area. Whereas everybody thinking, should I go up or should I go down? It's like midline. It's like a midline of the trend channel. People are thinking right here, should I go up or should I go down? It's not looking so good. So this is This right here is the midline of the trend right here. Look like it's more down than up, more down than up. Sometime it's not looking good. Look like it wants to come down past the to the bottom of the range. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Okay, again, this is a second entry long right here. Also a second entry long right here, but it's not a so it's not a good looking second entry long. So that's why it doesn't work. Is the market reversing? It can give me a big loss if it is decide to reverse here. One, this is a big, this is the important bar right here. This bar, if it's decide to go up to touch, to pass the EMA, hopefully this is a support right here. This doesn't look like a strong support. That's what I'm concerning about. A strong support is maybe here. This doesn't look like a strong support. I guess the strong support is down here at the bottom of the range. I was eager to enter this trade. Second entry doesn't even look like second entry doesn't even look like a good second entry legs, but I decided to enter. It's down on me right now. I don't like this. Trend has been up, but when I decide to go in late in the day, day is still young, but the morning is late. Trading time is late. Came in with the problem this morning. Well, there seems to be some life at the top. Come on, please give me a win on my first trade to make my mood in a good way to start the day. Need a good mood on my first trade. The loss. Well, this trade here is not a second entry type of trade. It's more like a range type swing trading. I entered at either way. I enter at the wrong spot. Then this bar is the important bar right here. If it decide to go up further to give me a profit, it is now about the EMA. Hopefully, it doesn't pull back anymore. It is now about the EMA, barely about the EMA. Come on, the next bar. The next bar, I need you to be green. Yeah, it's been below the EMA for a little while, and now it's bounced up above the EMA, bounce back down again. That's not good. I need an up leg over here. I dare to take the trend of the day is an uptrend, right? If the legs decide to pull back, it shouldn't pull back too far. But who knows? I don't know. It's just my assumption, my good guess, high probability guess. And high probability doesn't mean a perfect predictions. Doesn't mean I'm perfect with my prediction. That's why they call it high. That's why they call it probabilities. Why it doesn't want to go up any further. You're pulling back. Okay. Okay. Let's go. You are above the EMA. It's time to rise again. Let's get past the higher. Let's get past the highest of the day. Highest of the day is at 43.21 or 43.22. Mm, good looking trade. I need. We'll see. Maybe I have to double down when I see a bar swinging up. This can kill my threshold. Apex evals accounts if it keeps going down. I decide to stay. Doesn't want it. It could not pass the range. Could not pass the range either way. Come on. Yeah. This is an important bar. The next bar is more important than this one. This bar is almost finished. If it could get past that range, the next bar could pass that range, it will keep going up. There's play inside a small range over here. The top of the range is where I enter my trade. It's just not at the right place. When I enter my trade, that the bar starting to go sideways and below, created create that range there, just below my entry point. It's doing this to me at the time that I enter the trade. Okay, let's go. The trend is up. The trend is up. Let's go to the higher high of the day. Touch my entry point at the first time. Enough is enough. It's time to move up. Yeah. Let's go to the new high. It's no good. Let's go to the new high. Yeah, this bar. This is a positive sign of bar. Okay. The universe. Let's push this leg up higher. Thank you for going up little by little. That's all I need. That's all we need for all long trader. Thanks to the universe, make this bar up. We need to break the new high. We need to break the new high. If it can break the new high, can you? If it can break for 318, it can go up higher. Well, 318 is right here. Somehow, when it hit that, it just dropped back. There's a strong support. There's a support right here. That's why I decided to come back. Uh, let's let moves past that. Uh, it's not looking. Yeah, this bar is important right here. This bar is important right here for my trade. Bring my magnet back down here. It's a second entry short there. Can look good. That second entry short look really good. Why it decide to come back down? Come on, market. I might have to double down here to bring my entry up back to bring my entry back down to the midline of that range. The trend, the main trend of the day is up. Main trend of the day is up. Okay, let's see this. If this bar moving back up about EMA, I think my trade will be positive. This is important bar right here. Why did I enter this? I had to enter in the wrong spot there. Hmm. Why this bar's pulling back down? It's kind of neutral right now. Mm. Doesn't want to go below this range. It doesn't want to go above this range. This is where I enter my trade. It's kind of like at the top of that range. I enter before this range is before this range began. So as soon as I enter, price drop and create this range. Hope it doesn't go any lower than the bottom of this range. If it go past below the bottom of the range, it would be a big loss. Please, universe, please push this bars up higher. The force of the power force of the universe will push this bar up higher. Higher and higher, the force of the universe will push this bar up higher and higher. Higher above the highest of the day. Mm, Doji bar. Well, I'm just trying to entertain, rather keep myself too quiet. Can you pass this range? You pass it once, try again. Now you are trying again. I think you can. Let's go past it. Let's go past the range. Let's keep going up. Pull again. Goodness. Ah, Okay, if this bar is green, this is a good bar. It will be acting as a higher low now. Higher low, a higher low lake. But this bar need to be green when it finish. It's a good sign. Okay, keep going. Don't stop, don't pull back. Don't stop, don't pull back. Look like my entry is somehow the resistance of this. Why are you using my entry points as a resistance? Okay, as a higher low. We'll see how the next bar goes. Somehow it stopped right there at my entry points at 33, 43, 316, 75. That is my entry. And the market used my entry as a resistance. Come on, break that. Somebody buy it right now. Yeah, buy it right now. It's a higher high, so if it can break that dotted line there, there's a possibility that it go to a new high of the day. Well, I'm gonna close this trade. I'm going to close this trade. Looks like it's not gonna. Yeah, I don't trust this. I should hang on. If it come down one more time to the bottom of that range, I will enter. But after I close, it might keep going. After I close, it might keep going up. Look at that. That's that dotted line is the barrier. If the market can break that barrier, it's gonna go up higher to the highest of the day and then higher. We'll see. Yeah. So just a bad decision. Maybe I should be just happy with the recovery. Should be happy with the recovery of that straight and came up with 3 ticks profits. Okay, right now, second entry short. There's no second entry long. Second entry short is in play right now. It's forming right now. Second entry short is forming right now. If I hang on to my trade, I would get my 2 points. But I only took 3 ticks. Where did I enter this trade? I enter right here. Stupid me. I thought that as a good second entry with that bullish, bearish bar, but it's closing to the body of the bars is at the top. When I see the next bar is green and it went past about that red bar, I took my trade. So as soon as I took the trade, it start going lower and sideways. Start going lower and sideways for like, let me see, for like, oh my goodness, 35 minutes. I had to wait. I wait 35 minutes for that trade before I close the trade, and I got only 3 ticks. I think this leg is gonna go past to a new high. I was just too anxious to take the trade and take my first trade. My mind was not really clear, and then when it came to this is this is the range that I talk about. That if it can get into this range, it will keep going up and pass. Or it might come back down to play this range. I close my trade somewhere over here because I see this bar. It went up. I hang on to my trade. I didn't close, and then it came back down. So I'm afraid that it would go lower, so I close it. My prediction was that if it can break this range over here, go into the range, it would be a big positive profit for me at this bar right here, pulling back down, give me a little concern, so I close my trade. I think now it will break to a new high. I have been talking to myself all along. I didn't know that my microphone was used. I don't see a trade to take right now. This is my first trade right here. And I was cautious. It was a losing trade. I hang on to it, and I was fortunate that price action price is coming back up. See, I took a trade somewhere here. The price came down like 4 points on me, and then back up to somewhere over here. I took a closer trade, and just thanks to the universe that I was able to cover this trade. And I was gonna take one trade right here. I seen this bearish bar here. If I enter, I would be so nervous because look at all this high bars going up. Just one more tick, it would kill my trade. Somehow it turned out to be a small trade. Reason I didn't take this trade because it is against the main trend. Main trend of the day is up, up, up. In a way, I use this as, if I trade this, I would consider this as a range, trading the range or fair breakout. The break above this range. And then up, 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 and fell. You can call it a fail, but there's so many bars. Yeah, just name it fail. You know. Now I'm looking for any setup to go long because I mess up. I mean, my day was messed up because I could not connect to the Apex Fitness account. It cost me the help. It's affecting my psychology, my mind, my mood, my trading mood. Because by the time I was able to come in to trade, it was already 8:30. Tried to connect to my Apex account and could not get in. Tried to reset, reconfigure, still didn't work. Finally, I found out that other people in other live stream channels, they also have similar problems. Different kind of problems this morning. So it wasted 2 hours of my time waiting for my Apex account to reconnect. What happening when you rely on another financial company and it's not your own money account? It's your account, but it's controlled by this Apex company. And they are down. They, they go bankruptcy. take all out earning money with them. So it's the same. All right, push entry right now. Second entry. Push entry right here. Stock come down. The bottom. Go back up. That may be a good second entry. So it's coming back down now. One more bar down. It is the second entry, but it is not a two leg down. One more leg down. Right here, somebody decided to drop the sell, maybe taking a profit here. This is a single bar right here. That's a big single bar. Big single bar. Negative. Not good. Let's see what's next. This bar. This is a big range.
Order submitted.
Down one more at the bottom. Second entry is happening at that doji bar right there. Second entry is at that doji bar right there. But I did not take it because it is a doji. I'm looking for a leg down, and this doesn't look like a leg down. Okay. Yeah, the market has been up,
Order canceled.
up by the time I get my accounts connected with the apex. The market start moving sideways in this big range right here. The range. I'm not really strong trading the range. I mean, my confidence level is not so strong trading the range. Looks like this lake is moving back up without giving me a good second entry. Without giving me a good second entry setup. So there's no trade again. Hmm. I need to wait. Sometimes it's good for me to talk it out loud. That's why I'm doing live trading, even though at this time there's nobody watching my because I just started live stream last week, so nobody knows about my YouTube channel or my trading live yet. Hey, even though I just started, for the last 2 weeks, I have been doing well. So if you happen to catch my channel, maybe there's something good, something entertaining with scalping, live stream trading. Maybe you can have something out from uh my my trading channel. I mean, watching trading channel live is kind of boring. But if you are a serious trader trading the same stock, S&P 500 futures, E-mini, you might find watching somebody trading live very entertaining and very educational. I see second entry short here, but I don't want to take short. It didn't give me a good second entry long setup. The setup was not setup was not good for the second entry long. Setup for the second entry short is better, but it is against the trend. I don't want to take it. But the setup, the legs looking good. It is at the top of the range. My work. Mm, keep going up. Are you planning to come back down? Oh well. Second entry short right here. Second entry short is in action right now. Do I want to take short or not? It's against the last time I did not do second entry short, but the signal bar is doji. This bar right here may be bearish. Let's wait for that bar to finish. I have enough room to the EMA to come down and draw my trend channel kind of like this. Right now it is at the top of the trend. It hit the upper edge of the trend channel and it's second entry short. But the main trend of the day is long. That's the only negative thing that I don't want to take this trade. Besides that, this is the second entry short look kind of good. The uptrend bar look shorter and shorter, but I'm looking for a bearish type of bar. The only problem that I don't want to take this trade is it's an uptrend day. That this is the new high. This is the new high today. Let's see if this. Uh, Second entry is too late like that. Counting the bottom, or some people they count it like this. Some people they count it like this. The bar go up and came back down like this. Right? Okay, second entry short right here. Maybe it's too late for me to enter right now. Let me enter. See if it pull back to take my trade or not. It's too late. Too late. Too late. I need to cancel the trade. Do I want to hang down? Hang on. Should I hang on? Closing. But let's see. Okay. If I enter, it would be filled right now. At the bottom of that red bar, or maybe even one tick. It came down. Maybe it gives somebody for 4 ticks there. Maybe it's not. So it came back down. Should I still consider this second entry short or not? Each entry, there's always a scare. See, look at that. It got filled. Came back down. It didn't hit the target profits yet, and then it pulled back up. Instead of coming down, it pulled back up. It didn't give you the even 4 ticks yet. That's what maybe I'm fortunate that did not enter the trade. Would be negative right now on this trade. If I enter, I, it's gonna enter. Ooh, suddenly one big bar coming down, but it's still not hitting the target profit yet. The 4 points, 4 ticks target is, I think, is right here. Right now, even people with trading for 4 ticks, it's not filled yet. So let me zoom into this a little larger. I'm trading on a large screen, large monitor now. I used to trade with a. Sometime I switch back and forth. I have two big monitor. I mean, the monitor I'm trading on right now is like 42 inches, kind of like square kind of monitor, rectangle monitor. So if measure from left to right, yes, it is 38 inches, but from corner to corner is 42 inches. And when my eyes get used to a 27 inches monitor, when it came to the bigger monitor, I had to increase the bar size and width of the bars. And sometimes when I see a tall bar, I thought it is such a big bar, I would not enter. But actually, it's not that big. Because my mind is still my eyes can still get used to the 27 inches monitor. All right now it's a second entry long forming right now, but it's too far from EMA. Yeah, I don't see a good second entry set up for me here to go long. If this bar, the next bar coming down to touch the EMA, maybe it is a good second entry to go long. I'm waiting for one bar to come down to touch the EMA and pull back up. It's dangerous to enter if I decide to enter here. Be patient. I know I'm anxious to enter. It looks good right now. I enter right now at the bottom of that bar. It could act as a range congestion right there. But it is if you enter at the bottom and you go back up to the top of that congestion zone, you get 6 ticks easily. But I want to see it touch. I want to see it going down below the EMA a little bit. Just cross the EMA and bounce back up. That would be a better second entry to take a long. It's gonna enter here, right? This is enter here is it is not a proper spot to enter for second entry, but I want to trade that as a range, the bottom of the range. So now it came back down. Okay, it's dangerous. Everything is trading is dangerous. Sometimes you have to wait for the extreme to take a trade. The extreme to take this trade, it would be way down here or near here. Because this lake, it might want to come down to the, it might want to come down further to bottom of the range. It might want to play as a range, but if you play the trend, if you play the trend, you probably enter a second entry long right now. I'm afraid that it might play the range. If it played the range, it will come down all the way here. That would be a big 5.6 point loss. Should I take a trade or not? It's a second entry long. If I take a trade now, I'm playing the trend. I take it right now, I'm playing the trend. Uptrend. Okay. So the entry would be right here. Right here. Mm, that is a second entry long. Signal bar. This is a signal bar and it looks good. Not too bad. Okay, now the second entry is fill. I'm in. I decide to go in. Let's see. I'm going for 6 ticks. Going for 6 ticks. Okay, what is it now? Don't pull back on me. Let's go to the new high. Let's go to the new high. Come on, one more ticks. Give me my 6 ticks. 6 ticks, please. Mm, it's pulling back. Okay, okay. There is life at the top. Why are you pulling back? There is life at the top. Yeah, whoever trade for 4 ticks, you already got it. I'm going for 6 ticks. Whoever go, I'm going for 6 ticks. Sometime it's if I have the confidence, I go higher. It might go to a new high here. This lake might go to a new high here. Should I? Hey, one more tick, please. Okay, I'm going for 5 ticks instead of 6. Okay. Oh, look at that! My goodness. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I hesitated. I closed at 5 ticks. But look, after I close, keep going up. Maybe it came from the effects of my trade because I have too many contracts here. I have many accounts. I don't know the effects of my trade. Well, after I sell, it should come down, right? So it's not the effects of my trades. Okay, enter. I only go for 5 ticks. Somewhere here. Did I got 5 ticks? Let me check. It seems like that's a little tall for me. Maybe I enter lower. Let's see. Yeah, sometime. This is the second time that I didn't keep my trade to let it ride taller. Sometimes when you are so scared to sacrifice, you don't want to sacrifice. You want to take just a little when you're happy, and then you take the trade. I think just be happy with it, whatever you have already earned. If you're willing to sacrifice, you could have a loss, and also could have big win. Let me check my trader. I think I got 5 ticks. I just want to keep the record of my trade. How many ticks? How many ticks in each entry do I get? Let's see. 61, 60, 61, 40, 25, 75, Anyway, this is a good second entry at the cap. The signal bar is at the EMA, crossing the 21 EMA, and it closed above the 21 EMA to go long. It is a good second entry long. The only bad thing that I think this is look on it looks like one leg. It's not a two legs type of second entries. So that's why I was skeptical to enter. One thing I was skeptical to enter, I'm scared that if it decide to play the range, it would come down all the way over here. And if this leg is like two long legs, a second entry is somewhere over here, it would be a perfect, uh, I mean, a better second entry for me to go long. Before this trade, there's a second entry short right here. This is why I draw my line here. There's a second entry short I did not enter because it is against the main trend. The main trend is up. And if I enter, it would be a win. It would be a winning second entry short. And then I have a second entry long to go back up. But since the main trend of the day is up, I'm looking to go long only. So far I have 2 points, right? Total 8 ticks. 3 ticks over here, 5 ticks over here. This is my second trade. Trade number 2. It's amazing that the trend is keep going up. Something from the FOMC meeting yesterday. Uh, After the FOMC meeting yesterday, it pushed the price up. Yeah. See, I took the trade here and I closed about 5 ticks profit. Because this bar right here came back down. Scares me. Sometimes just be a little more brave. But again, 5 ticks should be happy with it. That's what scalper all about. Scalper, they trade minimum of 4 ticks to 8 ticks, but minimum is 4. But however, for me, 6 tick is my nominal default profit target. But sometimes, let's see over here on my trade number one, I took only 3 ticks when feel I don't feel comfortable. All right, I'm gonna keep watching the market and I'm gonna mute my microphone for now because there's some background noise going on right now. I don't want to interfere to have the noise into my trading video. Oh wow, my goodness. Look at that giant bar. What's happening there? Why that bar is so tall? One bar so tall and pull back down. Is somebody try to buy there at the top? Somebody is trying to buy there at the top, and then it's somebody selling back. Somebody set a profit target and sell it back down. Is that what it is? Whatever you do, don't do it when I enter the trade. Wait until it's done, okay? Wait until my trade is done, no? Wait or do it along with the direction that I trade. Don't do against my trade. Well, I closed my trade over here, and since then it's been up, 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 and then one big bar up, and then one big bar down. It's not too big. It's about 3 points there. This bar is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like 6 point there. If you count from one tick below, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5 ticks. 5 points. 5 points bar. 3 points bar. 3 points okay. 5 point is too big. 3 point is probably like should be the max. 2 points, 2.5 point to 3 point is like average bar this day. Anything smaller than 2 point is below average. Okay, a second entry long is in progress right now. The setting up is in progress right now. If this bar is a little above 2 points above EMA, I want to see second entry that touch the EMA. Well, I was frustrated this morning and still feel the effect. Make me tired this morning that I could not connect to the Apex account, and I still it's still in the back of my mind. Make me frustrated. I don't even have coffee yet. So right now the second entry long is setting up right now. Should I should I take this trade or should I not? Should I take this trade or should I not? I think I take it. I think I take it. Okay. I took the trade with a little pullback. Second entry long, the signal bar is OG somehow. I thought it was at the time of entry it was green on the upper side. Anyway, it's still good, I think, even though it's doji. It didn't come down. The bar come down and it went back up, turning to be a bullish doji. Please give me my 6 ticks. One more tick, please. Don't pull back. Don't pull back. Okay. Now take profits at 5 ticks right there. 5 ticks or 4 ticks? Yeah, 5 ticks for me. I see this bar start turning red on me. Yeah, 5 ticks. Seems like see this bar is turning red, make me scared. But if if I want to sacrifice, I'm still betting that this lake is gonna keep going up higher. But I don't want to take a risk. You can sacrifice and wait for a bigger profit, or you can take it right now. Take a small profit and keep. You can sacrifice and say, hey, if it comes back, I'm willing to take a loss, this much loss. Sometime I have to do that, but not today. I actually enter my trade not at one tick below the not one tick below that OG. I enter like maybe one tick somewhere over here, or maybe the bottom of that green bar there. That's why I got my 5 ticks. I think I enter right here. One tick pull back, and then I close my trade at the top of that bar, green bar. That's 5 ticks right there. If I hang on, yeah, I get one more ticks. And whoever trade this at the proper spot, they got their 4 ticks. So that's why people trade for 4 ticks, scalp for 4 ticks. It has more chance of winning at 4 ticks. I set my default profit target to 6 ticks, but sometimes I pull back, sometimes I pull up higher. So if I hang on to my trade, I would be upset right now. So there's There's a advantage and disadvantage when you go for more ticks or when you hang on to your trade. Like over here, if I hang on to my trades, I would get like at least 3 points there. I close my trade with only 5 ticks. This one is still in actions, but I only close my trade at 5 ticks. Let's see if I sacrifice. I say, okay, I'm willing to take a loss of about 2 points. Sacrifice my 2 points, and I'm gonna wait. Let's see how far it can go. Okay, I'm gonna keep watching and mute my microphone for now. Well, it seems that the market is not moving at this moment. It is very slow. Nobody wants to buy, nobody wants to sell. It is 11:35, 11:36 a.m. Pacific time right now. I normally trade till 1 o'clock, 12:30, between 12:30 and 1 o'clock. But I messed up. My morning was messed up by Apex Rhythmic Company that something is wrong with the database that I could not connect to my account. It cost me 2 hours of trading. And by the time I come in to trade, it's like 8:30. And my emotion, my spirits was a little frustrated and tired. Try to reconfigure my Apex accounts in the Ninja Trader platform. I thought that maybe something is wrong with my computer. Reconfigure that a few times. First time it didn't work. Second time didn't work. Third time maybe I did something wrong or whatever. But I have a presets that I use every day, right? But somehow I still want to reconfigure again and again because I could not connect. And finally, I went to a different YouTube trading live channel, and they say that they have similar problem. So I felt a real relief and just keep on waiting. And finally, by the time I could connect, it's like around 8 o'clock. By the time I came into live trade, it's 8:30. Frustrated, tired, and not focused. When you come in not focused, it's a little frustrated. I had to tell myself to be patient. Or sometime a day like this, maybe it's better to not trade. But trading is like a job, you cannot just skip a day. You have to make money every day. You cannot call sick. Yeah, going to work sometimes you call sick, but it's, this is similar situations. I want to call sick because I'm feeling lousy, frustrated in the morning. Yeah, your boss is not gonna be happy when you call sick. I don't know about your boss, but I always feel that all boss are not happy when you call sick because he has works for you to get done. When people calling sick is affecting his performance, affecting the company performance. Yeah, so I come to work frustrated this morning. I mean, come to trading, same as work. I have to trade every day. If you are a trader, You have to take vacation sometime. Well, so far it's almost 12 o'clock, 11:41 Pacific time right now. So the results of my trading day today, I have three. Today I only have three trades. Three trade with the win of what? Like 4 points, 3.75 points, 4 points. Let's say 3.75 points. Like 4 points, you can say 4 points, but I want to be exact. Okay. And profits, $375 because I'm trading two contracts. $375. Total profits. How much is the total profit? Let me check my arithmetic. Those actually around 4,000 to $4,300 minus the commissions. It turned out to be 393,929. after commissions. Well, yeah, before I trade today on my YouTube front logo, I posted that I will post that I am trading live and I will post my profits at the end of the video. Yes, this is what I'm doing right now. I'm not ending the live stream yet, maybe till 12:30. But the market seems to be slow. A scalper, I am a scalper. Scalper, they wait one tick at a time. They watch each bar, how each bar moves. So that is the how this scalper works. Their trade is unlike a swing trader. It's unlike a stock trader where they study the chart for an hour or a day or something like that. They just okay, this is the spot to enter. They enter. They set a limit to buy at that spot or set limit to buy at that spot. But for scalper, we wait, we read each bar, we see how each bar moves, tick by tick, second by second. It's a lot of work, and we take trades by take profits, take small profits, one small profit here, one small profit there. So it's just like for me over here, I have only 3 trades, so over here I have like $100 profit over here. Trade number 2, I probably have like 150, 150, 125, 125. Yeah. So adds up today. My total is 375 on this account. My English, my spelling is incorrect here. Okay, yes, I saw mistake on each account. Yeah, some account earn a little bit more, some account earn a little less. So overall, I gain a little bit of about $4,000, maybe $4,200 or so. But after everything, let's see, my commission is $358. Huh. So that's mean total is like 4,300, something like that. Minus the commission is become 3,929 after all the commission. This is a net gain. Net gain into my pocket today. I shouldn't say total profits, or maybe net profits. Net profits after all commission. That sounds right. To correct this again, well, I'm doing this while I'm watching the chart. The chart is kind of boring right now, so talking and doing this at the same time. Uh, Net profits on all accounts after all commission, after paying, after all commissions. Your traders put in a Texas sometime a little hard. Okay, something like this. Today trading results. 3 winning trades. Total off. 3.75 points. Well, like 4 points. I should say 4 points, but to 3.75 dollars on each account, and total profit is like 4,000 somethings net profits. Let me make it more exact. The net profit is 3,929 plus 358 is the fees, commissions. The total gross profits for, $4,287. Yeah, my Ninja Trader is slow today. The platform, my computer, as I have, but rhythmic window open. I have my live stream software open. I have YouTube open. Three or four application in one times. Okay. I see a second entry long is setting up right now. Do I want to take one more trade or should I? Do I want to take one more trade or not? This bar here. This is a signal bar. It's kind of like at the bottom of that range, a little 1 point above the range. The, the see the this is the range. It, near the bottom of the range. It is a little below the EMA. And one other good thing is it is at the cap, the key in the trend, the lower trend channel boundary. But these bars seem to be the second leg is not so convincing. Second leg is not so convincing. Signal bar looks good. The second leg is like 3 bars sideways. It's not like 3 bars down, 3 bar kind of sideways. But it is a second entry. It could be a good second entry because the signal bar is closing above the EMA, crossing the EMA, above the EMA, at the cap also. It is also at the cap. I mean, at the boundary of the turning uptrend, kind of like this. So if I had to take a trade, I would go long here, but I don't really have to. I think maybe I accept my win enough win for today. I don't know. Sometimes I change my mind so quickly. The market is still normal until like 12:50. When it is near 1 o'clock, price moving wildly up and down without, it's hard to predict, and it doesn't meet my the strategies the way I trade. Okay, the second entry, you take second entry long, it would be one tick above this green signal bar here, and it's already failed. We'll see how this second entry goes. I I don't really like this second entry because it's kind of going sideways there, but it seems like it might work here. Might work here if it go all the way to the top. One or two more ticks, if it go all the way to the top, it give. So right now, people with 4 ticks profits, they already got their 4 ticks. Maybe not yet. Okay, now 4 ticks people, 4 tick scalper, they already got their money. 6 tick scalper like me already got my money too, but I was scared to get in. This is after, so as you can see, it's hard. By when it's trading live, you cannot see the futures, and ooh, after it hits the 6 ticks, it came back down really fast within half a second, and that's dangerous. Whoever greedy tried to go for more than 6 tick got burned here. They got burned over here. So right now, because of that quick move down, make me skeptical. I'm thinking to go long here. One tick above that doji bar there, but that one bar coming down so fast. Actually, 2 bars coming down so fast, like in half a second. It made me think that there's a seller somewhere up there waiting to sell. Well, sometimes you spend enough time experiencing the price actions, you kind of aware of the other traders out there. They might do this, they might do that at a certain time. Nobody can know exactly. Nobody can read somebody's mind 100%, but you can read somebody's mind sometimes. Not 100%, but 50%, 75, 80%. Same thing with trading. You can read the chart's minds 50%, 80% correct. And you spend enough time. That's what I've been told. That's what I've been told. It's not from me, okay? I'm still learning. Maybe 5 more years I can become a teacher, telling people, teaching people how to trade. come up with my own strategies, helping people to trade, teaching people to trade, or maybe asking people to pay me to teach them how to trade. Never know. But I am a more generous guy. I probably teach people for free how to trade. Just press like and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I'm not uh, such a bad trader. Today I gained $375 per account, and I have more than 10 accounts. My gross profit is $4,300, and net profit is like $4,000 today. I'm not such a bad trader, but I'm not a guru and a trader good enough to say or feel confident enough to teach people or tell people how to trade. Even my own family. If you are so good, you have to be able to tell your own family, feel confident to tell your family members to trade with, with confidence. And if you are not telling your families you're living in the same house, or not teaching them how to trade, that means you are not so confident yet. That's me. So I'm not good enough to tell people to trade yet. I'm just keeping the record of how I trade. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think, as you can see, I missed. I was skeptical to take the second entry long, which if I did, I would have gained my 6 takes. And I was going to do it again right here, which is, I consider it as a higher low. I would have entered again and give me another 6 takes again. At least I see something that I could enter, but even though I was skeptical, but something that I could potentially enter if it is early in the day. So because of missing these 2 trades right here, I think I'm gonna close my trading session for today. And let me recap of my trading results for today. Today trading results, I have 3 winning trades, total of 3.75 points, kind of like 4 points. The profits is $375 in each account, as you can see at the left, top left, $375 on each account. Gross profit from all our accounts is $4,287. Net profits is, you can say, $4,000, $3,929 on all accounts. That is net profits after paying all the commissions. So I have 3 trades. Trade number 1 is here. I got 3 ticks there because I was skeptical that these bar keep coming down. I close my trade. And then the second trade, I got 5 ticks here. Scalper They trade for 4 ticks to 8 ticks the most. Yes, I see some scalper they go for 4 points, but that's not scalping. It's more like swing trading. You go for more points. Or you can scalp by using the runner. You scalp for 4 or 5 ticks, and whatever extra after that is the runner. I don't like trading runner because runner usually pull back and break even and just pay the fees. So if I use that one contract, I would gain the five. But if I trade as a runner, I'm just break even over here. If I use a runner, I break even. So you lose 2 contracts and 2 trades when your trade is break even. So that's why I don't trade runner. It doesn't make too much difference for me. So 3 trades today. That's all I have. So this is the final summary of my trading results. And thank you very much for watching. If you see anything you like, please press like. If you like the way I trade, enjoy my trading entertainment, please subscribe. And I hope you are back again. And thank you for those who catch my videos. Didn't see me live trading, but happened to watch my video. Thank you very much. And hope you come back and watch me again. Thank you. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.